We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Alright, y'all, before my camera died, because I have not charged it, this is what I'm eating right now. This is a late night snack. Okay, so I got me some oatmeal. I gotta finish microwaving it up, but this is what I'm eating before I go to bed. Okay, and today I actually went to the gym. I just ended up not vlogging it, but I went to the gym and I ate. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. I'm gonna try to show y'all some pictures and some more stuff in this vlog. But okay, peace out. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna eat before I go to the gym. I'm actually already dressed to go to the gym. I just gotta throw on my shoes. So what I have here, some potatoes. Gotta get the carbs in, okay. And what I plan on, get my camera right. What I actually plan on eating, like in between this, yeah, this is gonna be, the potatoes is gonna be toast. And then, the potatoes is gonna be pre-workout. And then my post-workout is going to be some yellow rice. And I also have a few Brussels sprouts that are in the freezer. So I'm going to have yellow rice and Brussels sprouts for after the gym. And then my actual snack would be some noodles. Because that's really quick, and I kind of ran out of snacks, to be honest. I had to run back to the grocery store to get more snacks, but meantime, between time, that is going to actually be holding me out until I go and get more snacks. Okay, so until then, I'll see y'all. My dog, what's she doing? Hey, Mookaboo. Hey, Thinker Wayne. Sit. Say hi. Say hi. Want a treat? Treat? Move. I will soon, hopefully either today or tomorrow, I'll be doing a pet tag. So you guys could get to know my honey bunny. But see y'all later, okay? I'm finna go to the gym. Bye.